Hello, it's Rebel Black from Bowerbirds here, and I just wanted to share with you a little bit about this unique value proposition to kind of dive into a little bit further because I do find that it's something that people kind of struggle with a bit to clearly articulate what their unique value proposition is. And I want to remind you, you're never going to get it right first, but over time, with iteration, you'll definitely get something that you feel great about. So I found this awesome article on cxl.com and just wanted to share it with you. I'm not going to share in all the full details, but essentially the unique value proposition provides relevancy. So it's explaining how your product solves customers' problems or improves their situation. It delivers specific benefits and it's got your differentiation. So it tells the customers why they should buy from you and not your competition. What I really liked about this article was that it actually shows some really good examples, both of what it isn't and what it is. So the value proposition is usually a block of text, a headline, a subheadline, and maybe a paragraph or a visual strong hero image. So a headline, what is the end benefit you're offering in one short sentence? It could mention product or service or it could mention customer. It wants to be attention grabbing. The subheadline is explicit in what you do or offer and for whom and why it's useful. And the third, there may be bullet points and then, of course, a visual. So clarity first is what makes a good value proposition. It's clear, it's easy to understand, communicates the direct results, concrete results that a customer will get from your product or service. It says how it's different or better than others. It avoids hype, but it can be read in about 5 seconds. So you've really only got 5 seconds to get people's attention. So I liked some of these examples. So Stripe, for example. Now, Stripe is a payment gateway for business owners. I really like this. Financial infrastructure for the internet. Millions of companies of all sizes use Stripe online and in person to accept payments, send payouts, automate financial process, and ultimately grow revenue. It's very simple, very explicit, very clear. Now, I want to reiterate that these companies have been playing around with these for years at getting them right. So don't feel like you've got to have it so polished as Stripe does, but just some good examples. So Trello's a software that you can use to, is like an organizing software. So Trello brings all your tasks, teammates, and tools together. Keep everything in the same place, even if your team isn't. So those that are working with remote and hybrid teams who want to get organized is a good. So you can see who they're really speaking to. I love Zoom, been a big user of Zoom for a very long time. So Zoom, which is an online meeting platform, meet face-to-face from any device. Connect, collaborate, and get more done together with Zoom's reliable video meeting solution. Again, very clear, very simple. Meet face-to-face from any device. Says exactly what it is. It's catchy. They've got a strong visual image there of two people also looking at a screen. So it's showing that you can be in person and on a screen together, which I think is very strong positioning. So now, some good examples. The other thing I liked about this article is that it shows some transitions. So Cloudflare, which is a like a hosting software, years ago they're like helping build a better internet. Now, today, they are discover the connectivity in the cloud, regain control while connecting and practicing and protecting your people, apps, and data everywhere. So way more clear, way more specific. They've done a much better job. Continuum Financial, a 5-year thank you, which is really just all about them. Now they are start your journey to financial happiness. 14,000 plus clients trust us to help them reach their financial goals. We know that financial planning can be complicated. Our aim is to make it simple. So much more compelling, so much stronger. We can see as a customer ourselves in their value proposition. So I really love this. article. I think it's very worthwhile looking further into it, using some of those examples as tests so that you can, rigor test your unique value proposition against some of the best in the market around the world. May your bower be blessed.